future. Gotta blast off, yeah, you can call me super. Man, I'm an icon, Elon's tutor. Clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in the cruiser, we'll be taking off. Now you heard the rumors, yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover, I never took a loss. In this game, I'm the ruler, yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change.
Naaalala ko pa dati nung wala ka. Nararamdasan ko na lamang sumaya kapag kasama ang barkada. Akala ko yung puso ko di nagagana. Buti na lang ay dumating ka doon, nagsimulang magkaroon ng pag-asa. Nagkaroon ako ng gana sa buhay ko, nakala ko wala nang tsansang makadama ng pag-ibig. Buti na lang tinupad ang mga sana. Nung una ay hindi ko inakalang may tulad mo pala. Di pa rin ako makapaniwala. Ngayon ko palang nadama to, na ganito pala kasi ito yung buhay ko na may kagaya mo. Kasi mo, mahalaga lang ay buhay ako. Nung kala ko walang kagaya mo, pero mali. Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang inasam. Buti na lang di ako nainip sa Tagalaga ba. Buti na lang talaga mahal. Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang dinasal. Buti na lang dumating ka na ang masasabi ko lang. Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang minahal. Tanging ikaw lang. Sa buhay ko'y walang kaplano-plano. Wala akong pakialam sa darating na bukas sa akin kung paano. Pero dahil sa'yo ang dami nang nabago. Buti na lang ay dumating ka sa'yo ko unang naramdamang manalo. Kaya kompleto na ako.
When I met you way back 2017, it was one of my lowest. Ikaw ang nagpapatawa sa akin kahit na minamalditahan pa kita. Hindi ko na-expect na yung batang nangungulit sa akin sa messenger ay makakaharap ko na ngayon sa altar at pakakasalan pa ako, not just once, but twice. Feel na feel ko ang haba talaga ng buhok ko eh.
Mag-abang ka dapat. Ngayon ko palang nadama to, na ganito pala kasi ito yung buhay ko na may kagaya mo.
You promised me before na bibigyan mo ko ng wedding na deserve ko. And you delivered. You gave me my dream wedding, yung wedding na hindi ko na-expect na ma-experience ko sa buong buhay ko. Kaya thank you so much, love. Tinupad mo yung pangako mo.
Buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang inasam. Buti na lang di ako buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang
Thank you! Plastic!
Oh, buti na lang talaga ay wala akong ibang dinasal.
loving wifey, this gift is my wedding gift. I hope na mapuno mo yan at hindi di maubusan araw-araw para may pang shopping ka everyday. I love you always and forever. Your one and only hubby, Walter.
Masasabi ko lang, wala akong ibang minahal.
I used to think love was something that was found when the timing is right. But you taught me that real love isn't about perfect timing. It's about choosing someone every single day, even when life is messy.
Wow! So beautiful, baby!
From the moment I saw you smile in Caloocan, that smile is just a big win for me. I never expected a random I love you on your Facebook profile to turn into a love story. You calm my chaos and bring warmth to every version of me. You love me patiently, fiercely, and even when I don't love myself.
Baby ko, I'm very happy na. Kasi masaya ako. Aris mo na yung goal mo, pero ikaw pa rin yung pinakadabas. Love you. I love you.
Thank you so support. All that. Alam ko, kahit malayo, I know you always support me sa mga gusto. And thank you for that.
Salamat dahil sinuportahan niyo ako dito. Magpalakas ka lagi.
Narinig mo sabi niya, huwag kakalimutan ng Gcash. Hindi man kalimutan, dagdagan. Malinaw?
I promise to love you in every small moment and grand ones. Through easy times and challenging times too. You inspire me to dream big and you always bring out the best version of me. Ramdam ko kung paano ka ka-proud sa akin kahit na minsan may mga doubts ako sa sarili ko. Ikaw ang laging naniniwala sa akin na kaya ko at kakayanin ko. I am the luckiest dahil ikaw ang naging asawa ko.
I promise to be your home even when life is messy or quiet or completely uncertain. I choose you. Through burn dinners, hard days, and every curveball, I'm staying.
I vow to be your partner in every adventure and your safe space when the world feels heavy. Talikuran ka man ng mundo, nandito lang ako palagi sa tabi mo. Pangako ako lang ang lagi mong kakampi.
I can't wait to grow old, laughing with you. Let's keep dancing barefoot in the kitchen until we're 90 and old.
Even on the days we forget why we started, because loving you feels like the most honest thing I have ever done, and I want to spend the rest of my life learning how to do it even more beautifully. I love you so much.